In contract law, a repudiation is a party's communication before the time of performance of the party's refusal or inability to perform. Tenants wanted to host a music festival, contrary to the terms of their lease, and struck the right note in court in Stiles Family Limited versus Riggs and Stiles Incorporated. Stiles Family Limited owned farmland. Christopher Stiles was the president of Riggs and Stiles, a corporation. Stiles Family Limited leased farmland to Christopher and Riggs and Stiles, making Stiles Family Limited the landlord, and Christopher and Riggs and Stiles the tenants. Under the farm lease contract, the tenants needed to cultivate crops on the land. The tenants weren't permitted to use the land for another purpose without the landlord's written permission. For years, the tenants farmed the land. Then the tenants gave Walther Productions permission to apply for a zoning permit that would allow Walther to facilitate a music festival on the land. During this time, the tenants continued farming the land. The landlord learned about Walther's application and sent the zoning board a written objection. Walther withdrew the application. The festival didn't occur on the farmland. The landlord filed a complaint, asking the court to declare that the tenants breached the lease. The landlord didn't want the tenants on the farmland anymore and wanted the court to create a constructive trust, protecting the growing crop's profits. The tenants counterclaimed, seeking attorney's fees. Both parties filed summary judgment motions. The judge ruled in favor of the tenants, reasoning that the lease stated a breach occurred if the farmland was used for another purpose. The music festival never occurred on the farmland, so there wasn't a breach. The landlord appealed to the West Virginia Supreme Court of Appeals.